Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about introduction to computers and C++ programming. Let, let's get started. You can see off this board. This is main components of computer. You can see on here, this name is CPU. And in here, it's named memory to save your all data, and for the left side is input, and for the right side is output. And for CPU to process for all your data, maybe for calculating, maybe for analyzing and others. And you can see the result in this area, in output area. I will show you about the bytes and addresses. Main memory is divided into numbered location called bytes. And for the number associated with a byte is called its address. You can see in here the difference between bytes and address. Byte is main memory, is divided into numbered location. And address is the number associated with a byte. A group of consecutive bytes is used as the location for a data item such as a number or letter. The address of the first byte in the group is used as the address of this larger memory location. Computer system. You can see there are two computer systems. The first is hardware and the second one is software. And for hardware, there are many items such as PC, workstation, and mainframes. And software, you can see operating system and programs. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions for a computer to follow. A program is command. What you want to do, you can create program. So this program will be executed by computer, and computer will do what you create on a program. Whenever we give a computer both a program to follow and some data for the program, we are said to be running the program on the data, and the computer is said to execute the program on the data. Program is a command. You can give command to your computer, and then your computer will do what you want. Next, languages. There are two items languages. Number one is high level languages, and number two is the low level languages. For example, high level languages such as C++ and Java. And for low level languages, you can see on this assembly language and machine language. Compilers. Program that translate a high level language like C++ to a machine language that the computer can directly understand and execute. I think you know the computer language using binary code. They are 1 and 0. So you need compilers to translate your language programming into the machine computer. And in the middle area, you need compilers to translate your C++ into the machine of computer machine. Preparing a C++ program for running. You can see on this the process. If you want to know from your code, and then you need compiler, and this compiler will execute your code, and then the final you can see of the result of your programming on this area. Program design process. If you want to solving your problem, so you can see this flowchart and this area for starting, and in here the finish, the complete of your programming, and you can see result your program. And this is the flowchart how to your program will execute your code. Start, problem definition, algorithm design, desktop testing, and then translating to C++ testing, and then you can see the final of your result working program. The software development method. Specify the problem requirements. Number 2, analyze the problem, input, output, and formulas. Number 3, design the algorithm to solve the problem. Number 4, implement the algorithm. Number 5, test and verify the completed program. Number 6, maintain and update the program. If you get problem or you want to update, you can do this process. Number 6, maintain and update the program. The software life cycle. Number 1, analysis and specification of the task or problem definition. Number 2, design of the software, algorithm design. Number 3, implementing or code. Number 4, testing. Number 5, maintenance and evolution of the system. And number 6, obsolescence. Introduction to C++. BCPL. B programming language, C programming language, and the last one is C++. BCPL, it means is basic combined programming language, and then this program will develop into this B programming language, and every year this program language be developed into the C programming language. And for the computer scientist, his name is Dennis Ritchie in 1970s. And the last one is C++. It is discovered by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1980s. Layout of C++ program. You can see on this layout, hashtag include angle bracket IO stream using namespace std semicolon, and you can give this in main, and then you will give, or you have to give, parenthesis, and in here curly bracket, and you can write your code in here, statement 1, statement 2, and then until statement last. After you finish your code, you can write with return 0. This name is program starts here, and for if you want to end program, you can write in here curly bracket. Layout of C++ program. Include directive, standard namespace using namespace std semicolon, main function, executable statements, and return statement. For sample C++ program, you can see on this board, this is sample C++ program. You write this hashtag include an integer main, and you have to write your code in here. Say in input, say in input, and see out output. If you input your number, for example, for number 1 is 5, number 2 is 4, and then the result is 9, it is from sum of 5 plus 4. Enter first number, enter second number, and then you can see on this sum number 1 plus number 2, and the result in here sum is blah blah blah. Compiling and running a C++ program. You can see on this. Next, testing and debugging. Bug is a mistake or error in the program, and the debugging is the process of eliminating bugs in a program. Testing and debugging. Types of program errors: syntax errors, runtime errors, and logic error. For number 1, syntax errors. Violations of the rules of the programming language. Runtime errors detected by computers when the program is run or numeric calculation. Logic errors, mistakes in the underlying algorithm or translating the algorithm into C++ language. Sample C++ program. Trying this. Write a program that displays the product of two integers. This is same with before. You have to create include in this, include a hashtag include angle bracket IO stream using namespace std semicolon, and you have to write in main and then parentheses, and for the starting, before you write code, you give a curly bracket in here and close curly bracket in here, and then you write your code in here in integer number 1, number 2, and product. C out, C out, C in. Okay, C in, and you will see the product. I hope you understand about what I am saying about the introduction C++ programming language. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Thank you so much. See you next time and goodbye.